What up? We got ourselves a fun Ackie right here. If anyone's in the market for a truck, RPMs, LEDs, Momo, seat covers, blue, AC, aftermarket radio, stick shift. I'm gonna check if it's 4-wheel drive. It's got this. Okay. It's really dark, I apologize, but I got my light with me, so you can see some of the over fenders, nice tires, LEDs, light bar on top, this on top too. This thing is actually sick. I got a K-truck coming, and you guys know me, I'm not really the biggest K-truck kind of guy. Is this hard? Oh no, this is soft.
Somewhere.
Oh, and it's like a tent?
Look at that screen in there too. The bug screen.
Ah, also like a little camping, like, oh yeah, sick, yeah, because you can have this open and still get fresh air, but not be surrounded by bugs.
I think then like, you got the chain so you make it a little longer, the bed, you know?
Ah, yeah.
Like this little table here.
That came with it?
Yeah, it's kind of weird, like, it's kind of a good design. I don't know what's up there. It must have been cooking something up there. Someone.
Yeah, it's even got the roof rack on top.
What is this? What is this thing? Is that a light?
I think it's looks like it could be heat.
Yeah, it is. It's like a little fan.
Yeah, it's a little fan or heater. But nah, I think it's sick. It's also 4-wheel drive. So I'm still waiting on one more to arrive, but my stress level is a lot lower now because all my boxes have successfully made it from Japan. Now we're going to do an unboxing. I'm going to show you everything that's here. All the homies on Patreon that order parts, they're here. Well, we're missing one box, but hopefully I can fulfill a lot of orders with these three. We have the armrest for the homie who wanted it for his Mini. And then more just parts. Like I said, guys, the website, go to WayBeforeTheFame.com, is going to have a lot of parts. It's not so much, now like all the fun stuff is gone. Essentially, that's what I know this box is. All from A-Pit. This is a raised cup. That's for the homie. I got to make sure to contact everybody. This is for the homie also. I think blow valve for the Evo that someone told me to order. This again. We gotta go through it. These are some... Oh, Mitsuoka. I got my Mitsuoka parts. Nice. Forgot about that. Some initial D. Oh, these are gonna be a good thing to put on the website. For only like $10, you can get a initial D folder. Okay. Box number 1. So this is even more flares. So the flares are officially going to be on the website now. So that's great news. And then like I said, man, parts. Cool parts too. For example, this is for a cappuccino. I think Conrad's going to buy this, but I'm going to continue to buy more of these. So if you want one, just shoot me a message on Patreon. But these, I believe, on Black Hawk are like maybe $300. I'm going to sell them less than that. So Conrad, I have all your goodies. I'll shoot you a message. This is for Honda Beat. Brand new in the box. PP1. All my Honda Beat homies. I'm not sure if Julio wants this. I don't know if he wants to go as crazy. I got a couple used ones though, but that's in there. And then this is a Wagon-R. So I had to give that to Red. This is also a Wagon-R in silver. And like I mentioned, I mean, I don't really want to open people's parts, but that's all this is. More flares and more parts. Parts that I didn't even open myself. Some of this stuff is even mine. Like, these are brake pads, actually, I think, for, let's see if this is for Honda Beat. I was so locked in over there that I didn't even open the stuff. Maybe that added to my my stress. Or I guess it doesn't tell you, but I told you, man, I wanted only things that made sense. And to an extent, I don't even know if this really makes sense because no one really asked me for Honda Beat brake pads, but I just feel like it's such a popular car that why not grab some? So this is either for Beat or one of the cars. So I'm going to go through everything and add it on the website. Okay, so this one's a bit interesting. I shipped this box the day before I left Japan. And I was looking at the tracking and it said it was going to get here. But the other boxes I shipped like 3 weeks before I left Japan. So this one doesn't really make sense why it's here. But I guess it is what it is. So there was a couple people who wanted me to grab snacks. Here it is. I got a lot of them. Definitely not adding these on the website. Just because, yeah, it's just too many, like, random. Like, look at that one. Super Mario. Steak gummies and things of that nature. So I think I'm going to reach out to people or reach out to me, the homies on Patreon, who said they wanted some snacks. I could do, like, just a random assortment for, like, $50 or $100 or whatever the case may be. $20. And I'll just grab some things, some randoms. That's really what this is. I didn't really hand select things like, oh, yeah, I really think this tastes good. I was just grabbing stuff. Like, I don't think this is going to taste good. This is Cola High Chews. I don't know what these dinosaur things are. So that's pretty much what I was just doing. If anybody's interested. This is a steering wheel for Red. These are the shoes from Tokyo Drift. Shout out to the homie. This is a Red Bull that he wanted me to grab them. And these are a random lug nut that says Raise. I'm not going to go through all the boxes. Not the end of the video. More brake pads. But I want to just kind of go through everything. Make sure I, let people know their stuff got here. And we could go from there. What up? Happy New Year. Just left the post office. I want to talk about what's on this piece of paper. I want to say big thank you to everybody who watched my videos all of 2025. Anyone who left a comment, anyone who's bought something from the website, everyone who joined Patreon, everyone who continues to, like, comment, subscribe. I got some really big goals for 2026. I am a big goal-oriented person, but last year I realized, and over these last couple of weeks, that I think I've just been maintaining. Like, I talked about it a little bit when I got back from Japan. Like, of course I'm working hard, I'm thinking of good ideas and things like that, but I think, crazy enough, not that I didn't think I'd get this far, and I'm still like not that far, but I think I was content with, like, buying a couple cars every couple months and making videos and putting tri-spokes and things like that. And then these last, I want to say like maybe 4 months, but really these last like 2, 3, 4 weeks, like once I got back from Japan, I realized that, having K cars and having Marriott walkthroughs are great, but like I do kind of want a 911. You know what it is with me though? Like, I don't really, like, expensive things don't motivate me. Like, I don't care to have a yacht. Like, you know what I mean? Like, that doesn't really make me like, oh my god, my goal is to have a Bayside Blue R34 that's $200,000. Like, I'm cool with an Alta Works. I'm cool with a Honda Z. I'm cool with a Toyota Will. Like, I'm cool with that. I'm not a flashy guy. Really, what I wanted to talk about was my 10 goals, and a big thank you, like I said, to everybody who's been tuning in all year. I'm definitely going to need your help for 2026, so I hope that you continue to watch, like, comment, subscribe. I would love for everyone to comment one of their goals of next year. It doesn't have to be their biggest. It could be save $5,000. But it would be cool if everybody who is watching this right now just commented, because I would love to, you guys know I always read all the comments and respond to everybody. But I would love to respond and, like, see what people's goals are also. So my 10 goals for 2026. In no specific order, but my 10 goals. 1, 100K subs on YouTube. See, some of the goals are, I want to say unrealistic, but I'm going to have to really try. This year, I think this year and the last like couple years, again, I've been maintaining, like, I think I grow maybe 10,000 subscribers a year. So more than likely right now, I think I'm at like 46,000. More than likely, I will 100% get to 55,000 by the end of this year, which is great. You know what I mean? It's 50,000. Oh my God. Having 50K subs, we're definitely going to have to do like a photo shoot or something. You know what I mean? But I want 100K. I want a YouTube plaque. I want to feel like a real YouTuber. I feel like when I get that plaque is when I feel like, wow,
not that I made it, but it's like, okay, these long nights and early mornings are really starting to pay off. 2, I want to visit one of the wonders of the world. So it doesn't have to be a specific one. I don't mind going to Brazil. I don't mind going to the Great Wall of China. I don't mind going to Mexico. I think the one that I like the most is the one in Jordan. The one that's like a stone or like desert mansion thing. That one is really cool. But I want to visit one of the wonders of the world. Honestly, I want to visit 2. I think 2 is possible. I think going to Mexico is probably the easiest one. But I definitely want to do that. Okay, so that's number 2. Number 3, buy an RX-7. So we talked about this a lot last year. I want to buy an RX-7. I think that's a really big goal. It's not, again, a $70, $50, $90,000 car, but I just feel like if I'm in the position where I could buy an RX-7, even if it's December 30th, 2026, I think that I'm doing good. I think I'm doing good because that's a $20,000 car. I'm going to have another like $10,000 in maintenance. So we're talking about a $30,000 car. I've never bought anything that expensive, period. Not a car or anything. So that's number 3. Number 4 is get some track time. So I've always wanted to learn how to drift. Maybe I do that this year, but just get some track time in general. That one time I drove to Lime Rock in the mirror walkthrough, it was fun, but it was a slow automatic K car, so I didn't really have... I think I went around once and I was driving passenger a bunch, and I don't want to drive passenger. So if that's in Japan, you guys know we met with the homie Speedy Cappuccino. If that's in Japan, getting track time, again, it doesn't have to be my track car. Maybe I pay for, I just want to get track time. I want to get on the track and drive. If it's autocross, if it's just spirited driving, if it's drifting, even cooler, that'd be more fun. I know that's probably the most expensive option out of everything, but I want to get some track time. 5, learn more Japanese. I think that's a very easy one. I could definitely say that I've understood a lot more Japanese after being there for the last 6 months in 2025. I am not fluent. I cannot just spark up a conversation for more than a minute. So I would like to learn more Japanese. I'm doing Duolingo. It's cool. It gets very repetitive, so I think I'm going to get a tutor. I keep saying that, though, so I want to get a tutor. That's number 5. Number 6 is to do a Way Before the Fame spec car build outside of USA and outside of Japan. So that could mean I go to Ireland and I meet up with the homie with the Alto and we buy a K car, for example, and then we build it up. We paint the calipers yellow, tri-spokes, LED, double din, just build a car out there, not to keep, it could be to sell, more than likely to sell. I wanted to do that in DR, so maybe that one is the easiest option because I have family out there. But I would definitely say that's one of my goals. Obviously in America, we've done it a countless times. In Japan, I did it with the Tri, so that's amazing. And I think that next year I have to buy another van because mine is soon to be import legal. So I will probably do another Way for the Fame build on another K van, but I don't want that. I want to do one in like Switzerland, or I want to do one in Marbella. I want to do one in like UK. I want to do one in Spain. I want to do one in Mexico. I want to just do just one outside of America. I think that'd be pretty cool. 7 is merch. I'm really gonna tap back into merch. If you guys don't know, Way for the Fame started with merch. I was doing merch for a decade, and then I didn't like it anymore. It felt like a job. It felt non-inspirational. I felt like I was just doing it to pay the bills, and I didn't like it anymore. And then I got K cards, and that became my new love. Now I want to combine the two. So merch on the way. You guys see I made the Way for the Fame garage jackets. That's cool, but I want to do like t-shirts. I want to do like some creative stuff. I want to not only do stickers. You guys know I'm always doing stickers. The stickers are cool, but I want to do like clothes. Like I like clothes a lot. So merch, 100%. I want to tap back into that. 8 is collabs. So I don't really do any like YouTube collabs or like social media collabs and stuff like that. So I want to do some collabs. I want to maybe with Battle Digital or just someone like just a collab. I don't really have anyone in particular that's on my mind. Hold on, I want to make sure I'm going the right way. Yeah, like I was saying, so I want to do some collabs. It'd be cool. I think that's another way that I could gain subscribers. The person doesn't have to have a bigger channel than me or whatever the case may be. I just think collabs will be fun. I don't really do any of that. So maybe, just reaching out to people, seeing where the universe takes us. I'm not going to force anything. But things like that I think would be cool. 9 is to lock in on fitness. I actually have been doing that in Japan, I think like towards the end of my trip. Been throughout kind of my trip the entire time. But I definitely want to lock into like fitness, my mental, physical health. I want to make sure that I'm in, the best shape of my life. I'm 34. Shout out to everybody who told me happy birthday these last couple days too. And I want to, preserve my sexy as long as I possibly can. So that's number 9. And then number 10 is to do a Way Before the Fame garage or a Way Before the Fame event. I want to do my own car meet. You know how like Capital K does that barbecue? I want to do something like that for me in New York, in Queens maybe, in Brooklyn, in, somewhere accessible where the same way that I was willing to drive all the way to Maryland for the Capital K meet, people from, maybe Dylan drives, maybe people from, people all over the East Coast or maybe even farther can drive to the car meet, and it'd be a cool event. You know what I mean? Like I would love to have the walkthrough there. I would love to have like a merch booth. I would love to have, but yeah, something like that where it's like a swap meet / event / just a cool thing. Maybe it's like a couple days, or maybe the car meet is one day, but I rent a pop-up shop in Brooklyn, for example, and you could come by and buy parts. I'll work it, things like that. I've always wanted to do that with clothes, and I never did. So it'd be kind of cool where if I did it somewhere where there was parking, and you can, after the car meet, let's say you stay in New York for the people who travel further, the next day you could come visit the pop-up shop that's in Manhattan, and we'll have like clothes and parts and intakes and things like that. It'll be like maybe a mini little up garage, a New York up garage. So that'd be pretty cool. But that's my 10. Some of them very accessible, some of them very difficult, and I think that's the whole point. I got 365 days to complete them. I'm hoping that we get there. We're gonna revisit this video next year. I even have like some bonuses. Like I want to kind of start streaming a little bit, especially while I'm in Japan when I'm by myself. I think it'd be cool to just stream because there's so many things that I go through live that I can't make a YouTube video on just because it's live. Like someone might say something and things like that. But it'd be cool to do like maybe 50 streams in 2026. It doesn't have to be on Twitch or anything either. It could just be on YouTube. I could just go live. I guess just going live really, not even really streams, but I guess the same thing, but doing things like that. So that's it. Right now what I'm going to do is I'm actually driving to Jersey, so you guys see that in the next video. And I'm gonna go to the homies at No Company Motors. They have a lot of cars for sale. You guys saw that we're just in Yonkers, and we saw the Every, the Blue Mirror walkthrough, a couple candidates for a new project for me or for you. And now we're gonna do the same thing just in Jersey. I know they have a lot of automatic Honda Actis if someone's looking for some. They have like a Skyline. They have a Land Cruiser Prado. They have 2 Honda Z's. They got a bunch of cars, honestly. So we're going to head over there. Thank you guys for watching. I know that it was a lot of yip yap, but I'm excited. I'm really excited. I want to share my goals. I want to put them out there in the universe. That way I could come back this same day a year later and be like, hey guys, we did this, we did that. We got close. Well, no, we're not going to say we got close to everything. We accomplished everything. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Catch you on the next one. Peace.
Remember the name. This is way before the fame.